the moment, remember, the country remains on alert. Even the national capital, citizens are asked to remain alert, and there are mock drills taking place. And today there was the siren that was sounded at 3 o'clock. This message had gone out to the citizens. Let's go across to Ishika to find out what's taking place right now. Over to you, Ishika.
Well, Gargi, as you rightly mentioned, the entire country is on alert mode as of now. And just a while ago, it was the Delhi government cabinet minister Parvesh Verma who was here, at the PWD headquarters, where in fact the air raid sirens have been installed. My camera person Rakesh Singh is currently showing you the air raid sirens that were blaring just few minutes ago. They lasted for around 10 minutes, and the noise was so loud that it certainly served as a signal for all the people, residing here to be on alert mode. Now, what the minister has said that, just like these air raid sirens, they will be installed, across the national capital at all the high-rise buildings, and they will in fact last for around 15 to 20 minutes. This is, kind of a security drill that was done today, but this, this is being installed in different areas of the national capital, so that you can prepare the people, the civilians, for an emergency situation. If there has to be a blackout during an emergency situation, just 15 to 20 minutes ahead of that, you will hear the air raid sirens blaring across the national capital to send the signal to the people that it is not a time to panic, but rather a time to prepare yourself. Now, the government, the state government, and in fact, the central government continues to say that the country is on alert. There is no need to panic. The armed forces are there present, but civilians themselves need to be prepared. So that is why the security drills are being arranged time to time. Over to you.
That's right, Ishika. Important to emphasize, it is not a time to panic. Yes, there is high alert. There's alert across the country. There is, a warlike situation that we're seeing along our borders, our western borders, given the kind of aggression from Pakistan. Operation Sindoor is ongoing. There have been 2 waves of drone and missile attacks coming in from Pakistan, but they've been very effectively countered by our defense forces and by our, shields. Take a look there at, there you have the state minister of Delhi as this siren has sounded, and it's a mock drill really in the national capital at a time when there is high alert along our borders and a high state of tension with Pakistan. And at the moment, of course, one doesn't know what is really going to happen next, but citizens across the country, there is a need to be prepared but not panic. That is what the government too has been emphasizing. There is no need to panic. People should go around their work normally. However, they have to know, in case any sort of emergency situation should arise, how they are to behave. Let's